the coding board. This is series of HTML5 practice. So let's begin the session. Today we are going to understand small tag and pre-tag. Why do we use small tag or big tag? That we will understand. Then we will use pre-tag. Why we use pre-tag? Okay. Now let me make use of small tag first. First, what I will do, I will write the coding board in same line. Okay, and let's check the output. Here is our output, the coding board. Okay, but suppose I try to do like this, will it work? Let's save the code. Will it work? Obviously it will not work. To bring this coding in new line, we need to make use of br tag, and to bring this coding in and to bring board in new tag, we need to make use of br tag. Okay, let's save the code and refresh the coding board. Now let's assume this is similar to normal text. Okay, but I want to reduce the size or increase the size of that particular word. What I will have to do, I will have to keep it big and I will have to keep it small. Okay, here we need to close big and here we need to close small. So in our coding, the is normal word, coding is in big format and board is in small format. Let's save the code and check the output. I am going to refresh. Observe carefully. The is normal text, coding is big text and board is in small text. Now what we will do, we will shuffle our code. Okay, we will shuffle our code. Here we have shuffled our code with big to small and small to big. Okay, now let's save the code and refresh. 5 4 3 2 1. Got it? Here board is big, coding is small, the is normal. Let's make the in big format. Big, big. Save the code and refresh. Wait a minute, some mistake, forward slash was missing, now it's corrected. Now let's refresh. Here we have the big board is also big, coding is in small. Now let's remove this big and let's remove this big. Save the code and refresh. The and both are in normal text, coding, sorry, the and both are in normal text and coding is in small format. Okay, so this was all about how to use big tag, how to use small tag. Now let's move ahead. Now let's understand how to display the code which is in body section as it is to the end user. How we can display code which is written in big sorry which were written in body part of the HTML code, how to display as it is, that we will learn. Now suppose I am here using pre-tag. Okay, now here end of the pre-tag. Save the code and refresh. Observe carefully. Now it is got changed. Let me remove this br slash pre, save the code and refresh. The coding boot. Here one small silly mistake I have done. I have written pre-tag before body tag. Let me correct. Save the code and refresh. Okay, here is pre-tag, here is small tag, here is pre-tag. Okay, let's do one more thing. What we'll do, HTML stands for front end. HTML front end. Now HTML is front end. JavaScript is in both front and back end. Front and back end. Okay. Now I want to display as it is, so I will make use of pre, and here I will make use of pre. Save the code and refresh. Got it? So with the help of pre-tag we can display our data as it is without having impact of any tag. Suppose I need to remove this, and suppose I remove pre-tag and this pre-tag, what will happen? Observe carefully. 5 4 3 2 1. Got it? It is coming in its by default format, but as I have used here pre-tag and here pre-tag, here pre-tag and here pre-tag, then definitely this data will appear as it is written. Observe. Correct? So this was all about today. We have learned pre-tag, we have learned small tag and big tag as well. So that's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.